just got your first sale. Now what? How do you actually fulfill the order? At first, I was just like you, manually copying the customer's details and wondering if there is a faster way. Then I found AutoDS. It took me from stressful spreadsheets and endless typing to automatic fulfillment in just a few clicks. If you want to skip the confusion and mistakes and instead fulfill your orders quickly so you can focus on making more sales, AutoDS is the way to do it. We'll break down step by step from loading your balance and credits in AutoDS to letting it handle the entire fulfillment process for you. When I got my first sale, I was excited, but then came the headaches, the spreadsheets, copying and pasting addresses, double checking details, worrying about mistakes. It felt like I was stuck doing data entry instead of growing my business. So the moment I switched to AutoDS, all of that changed. Now my orders are fulfilled automatically while I focus on scaling and making more sales. The first step is to load a balance into your AutoDS account. This balance should be more than the product cost. So if your product costs 15 bucks, just load a little bit more. To do this, hover over the money icon in the top right corner of AutoDS, then click on load balance. Start with a small balance, no need to load a huge fortune. Now, you might be thinking, what about these AI credits? Don't worry. They're not some futuristic currency. They're just tiny credits that AutoDS uses for each order. You'll start with a few free credits, and they cost next to nothing. Just buy more if you run low. It's like buying a cup of coffee, but for your business. Once your balance and credits are loaded, go to the orders section in the AutoDS. If an order shows insignificant funds, just refresh the page after you load your balance. Then click on the order, hit send to AutoDS. That's it. AutoDS takes it from there, contacting the supplier and ensuring your product gets shipped directly to the customer. So if you want me to do a deep dive into more dropshipping tips like this video, be sure to drop a like and let me know. And if you have any suggestions that you would like me to cover, go ahead and leave a comment. I'll make the most popular one happen. So that's it. Once you get the hang of this, fulfilling orders becomes a breeze. You'll free up your time to focus on growing your business instead of bogging down in detail. And I'll tell you what, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll post a video about scaling, so you can be on your way for real growth. So get out there, fulfill those orders, and like always, this is Julian with Ecom, and I'll see you in the next one.